Hello, good day, guys. My name is Nick, technical analyst with SuperForex. Today, we are looking at the analysis on the currency pair Euro JPY. And in respect to this, we'll be talking first about fundamental analysis before we move right down to technicals, which is going to be purely what will be seen on the chart. Now, we have seen that Euro JPY has been edging lower to the 161.20 zone. Amidst the safe haven flow, and also somewhere we are hearing that the ECB's Basel has pushed back against expectations of an early rate cut. Now, investors anticipate that the Bank of Japan will maintain its ultra dovish stance at its January policy meeting next week. And of course, the Euro JPY cross snaps a 3-day winning streak during the early European session on Thursday. And the ongoing geopolitical tension in the Red Sea benefits some safe haven assets like the Japanese yen and the weighs on the cross. However, the downside of Euro JPY might be capped as the market anticipates that the Bank of Japan is unlikely to shift from its ultra dovish stance. The cross currently trades around 161.20, down to 0.03% on the daily time frame. Now, the European Central Bank Governing Council member Jan Basel said it's early, it's too early to expect, the first rate cut at the beginning of the second quarter. And it was further stated that inflation in the euro area is still too high and must be headed back to the 2% target before the central bank changes the course of monetary policy. On the other hand, JPY was undermined by the investors' anticipation that the Bank of Japan would maintain its ultra dovish stance at its January policy meeting next week. Now, the Japanese Central Bank former executive, Eiji Maeda, said on Wednesday that the Bank of Japan may end negative interest rates in April, but will likely go slow in any monetary policy, unlike the aggressive monetary tightening taken by the ECB. Now, additionally, the escalating tension in the Middle East might cap the downside of the JPY. Late Wednesday, while Yemen's rebels targeted a US-owned cargo ship with a kamikaze drone in the Red Sea after the Biden administration said it will redesignate the Houthis to its list of global terrorists. Now, we are expecting market participants that will monitor the ECB monetary policy meeting accounts and ECB President Lagarde's speech on Thursday, and also on Friday, the December German Producer Price Index (PPI) will be released, and the attention will shift to the Bank of Japan interest rate decision next week. And this event, could trigger some volatility in the market and give a clear direction for the Euro JPY cross. Now, what to expect from this on the downward side? We are technical side, we are looking out for a breakthrough from this important resistance zone, as well as the support, and a fall through down to 160.057. While we await a decision from the ECB. So with this, we are expecting 98 pip move to 98 to 100 pip move from there, and possibly a halt at this point to perform some retracement back to the upside. So that's our technical analysis on today's currency pair Euro JPY. Now let's move over to the stock markets. Hello, welcome back, guys. And on today's stock markets, we are having a look at United States stock giant Skechers. And recently, prior to December, January, we have been seeing that that after conducting a thorough analysis, Greenberg sold about 200,000 shares of Skechers USA. And this information was disclosed in a Form 4 filing with the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission on Thursday. And the transaction value is about $11,745,000. And as of recent, Skechers shares are up by 0.59%, currently priced at 63.48 thereabout. And all you need to know about Skechers USA Incorporation is that it's a lifestyle footwear company under the Skechers Go brand name, and products offered include various styles of women's shoes, men's shoes, girls' shoes, boys' shoes, performance shoes, work shoes. Allied products offered are apparel, bags, eyewear, toys, and a lot of it like that. So these products are available for sale at departments and specialty stores. But the company's operating segments include wholesale and direct to consumer in the generated maximum revenue from the wholesale segment. Now, as we delve into financial revenue growth of Skechers, we are seeing that Skechers USA remarkable performance in the past 3 months is evident. As of from 30th September, the company achieved an impressive revenue growth rate of 7.8%, a wholesome, and this signifies a substantial increase in the company's top line earnings as compared to competitors. And the company surpassed expectations with a growth rate higher than the average among peers in the consumer discretionary sector. Now, we are expecting a push up to the upside following the most recent surge and a breakout from the ever important resistance zone at 63.98. And we should be looking out for new zone towards the 70 and 75 axis is possible, which will be about 125 to 160 pips thereabout. Of course, which is good money. And that's our technical analysis on today's stock market catchers. I remain your host, Nick. Bye for now.